Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll tell you the 5 features inside the InDesign which is very good for the beginner. So let's get started. The first feature is link. You can link the Adobe Illustrator file or the Photoshop file, whatever program you are using. So go to file and place. So let's assume click on this file, right? So here it is. So after that, you want to edit this image, right? So you can just hold alt and double click on it, right? As you can see that it is already imported inside the Illustrator. You can change anything, if I move it here and hit Control S, right? So you can see that it has been updated inside the InDesign. So if I move it one more time and hit Control S, you know you can see that the text is blurry, and I'm getting this yellow icon. Or you can go to window, links, right? And as you can see that I have this option to update the link here, right? uh, so click here, it will get automatically updated inside the InDesign. So that is very dynamic. I tell everyone to use it. So let's move to the second feature. So let's import one image. So let's say I import this one, right? So in the beginning, what I used to do like this, right? These things I used to do. Never ever do this is not dynamic. So what you have to do, just click on it, go to window, text wrap, right? And click on this option. So as you can see that if you move this here, the text bit will automatically get adjusted. Now if you want the text to wrap around this PNG, so what you can do, you can just come here and detect edges, right? But if you look at it, it is getting too close to the object. So you can always increase these values, right? So it is kind of work as a radius around the object, right? Now let's say you have this image caption. This is my favorite food. Sorry if there is any typo error. So if you look at it, that it is impacting in my image caption as well, which I don't want. So what you can do, you can hit Control B, right? Control B, B for ball, and hit ignore text wrap. So as you can see that this text is uh, visible. Actually that text wrap is not affecting this text because I have enabled that feature. So thank you. Now let's go to the third feature. So let's assume you have this image, right? And imagine this image is below our main text, right? How will you select it? The old school method is go to layer and you just manually select it. Never do that. Just hold control and keep clicking on it. See, automatically if there are multiple layers, keep holding click control and keep clicking on that object. It will automatically select it. So this is how it is. So thank you. Now let's go to the fourth feature, right? So when I used to create the content page, I used to hit like this: tap 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 tap. Never ever do this. This is the wrong method, right? So you have to do tab, only one tab, 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 right? Now go to type and click on tabs, right? Now as you can see that you have to come here on this, above these texts, and click here. Wherever you move, leave this, our these numbers will automatically go there, right? See this. Now if you want the leader, just see, there are leaders as well, right? So let's come to the fifth point. So if you want to write the book name on top of every page, so we have the better option. You can't do that manually if you have more than 300 pages. So you have to come to the pages, a parent, double click on it and create a new layer, right? And says book. name, right? Remember that it is always better to keep it in a separate layer, right? And so I have already written the book name. Now it is done, right? Now, as you can see that that name is not visible on every page. Why? Because you have to apply that a parent to those pages, right? So how will you do that? You can either drag and drop, right? Or select one page, hold shift, I'm sorry, select one page, hold shift, right click on it, and click on apply parent to pages, and you have to click on a parent, right? So it says the number 2 to 9. Now hit ok. Now you can see that the rise of hobbit is visible, right? And here it is visible, which I don't want. I don't want that, if you look at it, it is available on the main pages, but I don't want this on the this page, right? You have two options. You can come here, and as you can see that it has none by default. InDesign people have created it, so you can come here and apply this on this page, right? It is displayed right now. Nothing is applied on it, and you can see that it has a parent applied, a parent applied. You are getting that thing on top of. Or one more thing you can do, you know if you want to remove from here, you can hold control shift and click on it. It will go into the edit mode, and on this page, if I want to write some number or something, or I want to delete it, so this is very useful. I recently learned it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day.